The exhibition is called Discovering Medieval Science. The Middle Ages are often been called the Dark Ages and were full of scientific discoveries. Invention and technology from India, China, North Africa, and the Middle East were brought to Europe. Invention and machine made a great contribution to society, designed by medieval scholars, and many of them are still in use today. Some of these inventions are very common, for example, fountain pen, glasses, and others. Before the fountain pen was made, people used bird feather and ink to write, and that made our clothes and fingers covered in ink. The first fountain pen was made in 953 in Africa. The first fountain pen had a small container with ink inside, and it didn't stain our clothes and hands, unlike when we used bird feather. Glasses were invented in Italy in the 13th century, but no one knows who invented them. Glasses were made to help people with bad vision to read. The great medieval engineer Al-Jazari lived in Turkey. His work, The Book of Knowledge, Ingenious Mechanical Devices, lists 100 different machines with instructions and diagrams explaining how to build them. One of his inventions is the mechanical clock, and his most important invention was the crankshaft. The crankshaft is a long arm which allowed machine to move in a straight line, for example, the watering garden and field for farms. In modern time, it is used for car engine. This invention has changed the history of the world in ways we can't even imagine. Gunpowder is one of the 4 great inventions of Chinese culture. Gunpowder was invented in the 9th century by the Chinese scientists. Although they weren't successful at first, but their attempt led to the invention of fireworks and weapons. The invention of gunpowder has changed the way we fight wars. Many people think that gunpowder is the most important invention in history.